Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me, April, the Red Lip Diva. Again, not wearing red lips. I know I need to do better. I'm sorry. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and do this video for you guys tonight because it is my last video from the month of February, and it's also kind of a little bittersweet with this particular subscription. But before we get into that, I hope you guys are doing great. Everybody should be getting their tax returns in, if you are getting one. I got mine, but the state of South Carolina decided that they wanted to keep over half of my tax return. So I was a little annoyed, a little bummed, because I didn't get to do all of the things that I wanted to do with my tax return. But there's always next year, and things are getting a little better. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing pretty good. Work is kicking my tail like normal. Yeah. So I didn't do an unboxing for you guys, but I did just get a BH Cosmetics shipment in. You know, I have their Zodiac palette and their Love Signs palette. And I don't know if you guys have heard me mention it before, but I love the Zodiac, and I love everything about the signs, and I love the Wheel of the Year and all of that. So yeah, that's right up my alley. Well, BH Cosmetics came out with 9 color mini palettes, and they're not so many. These things are like this big for each of the signs individually. So they've come out with Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces so far, and I was able to order all 3 of them. They are gorgeous. So I'm super excited to get to use some of those. But yeah, that's kind of just a little bit of an update as to what's going on. Not anything huge or major. But anyway, let's go ahead and get down into what the meat and potatoes of this video is. And that is an unboxing. And this is the February Julep Maven unboxing. This subscription was, for the newer subscribers, was, I believe, $24.95. But if you were an OG subscriber like myself, you got locked into the $19.95 price. So when I first started, you would pick a style like It Girl or Boho Glam, and there were a couple of other ones, and they would send you nail polishes that go with that theme every month. And then when they redid their subscription service, they were beginning to include makeup products and things like that. So I've ordered lots of things from them before, and every subscription you got what they call jewels, and that's like credits or points. I'm so sorry, I'm so sleepy, guys. It's Saturday. It's 10:30. It is way past my bedtime. But anyway, I want to do this video before I forgot. Anyway, so Julep, then they instituted where you could go and they send you an email on the 20th of every month, let you know that you can edit your box or customize your box or skip it or whatever you wanted to do. And you could go in and edit your box. Like, you could completely customize it. You could swap out items that they had chosen for you, or you could choose to stick with the items that they chose for you. What I meant by this being bittersweet, sorry, I'm still getting over bronchitis. Oh, I had bronchitis last weekend. It was not fun. I could not breathe. So I have a little residual sinusy coughing stuff going on. So I'm sorry if I cough in this video. I apologize. Anyway, we got an email not too long ago, probably about a week or so ago, that the February Julep Maven subscription box was going to be the very last subscription box that Julep sends out. They are discontinuing their subscription service. They're going to still have a shop open, a store open. They're still going to have wonderful products that you can purchase. Former Mavens, which are the ones like myself who were on the subscription, get a discount. But I'm very sad because, yeah, I was really hoping to be able to get the entire Zodiac collection, again with the Zodiac. I got Capricorns in my last month's box. I want to say it was last month. It was either December or it was last month. I can't remember. But yeah, so this is going to be the very last Julep unboxing forever. Possibly until they decide they want to reinstitute it. I don't know if they ever will. But yeah, very last subscription box from Julep. So let's go ahead and open. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. You got your packing slip in here. And then you have like a little product insert. And then you have this cardboard paper. And inside of it are beautiful things that you chose. So the very first thing I'm going to pull out is, this is called the Control Z Eye Makeup Eraser. And this is for when you mess up them wangs, as we all are have a tendency to do. It says it erases, smudges, smears, and makeup mistakes, and it has precise control with a soft felt tip. Alright, and then it says if you can put it on, you can pull it off. Hashtag brave pretty. So this is what the tube looks like. And then this is the tip of it. It literally just looks like a felt tip marker, and it's clear. It probably has like makeup remover in here. It has no smell, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out because sometimes I do have issues with my hand shaking. So sometimes liquid eyeliner is not my friend. All right, next up are I got three colors that are in the Julep Zodiac collection. I'm hoping I can go on their website and use my discount and get the rest of their Zodiac collection, because as I've stated to you earlier in this video, I love anything to do with the Zodiac. So I got the Taurus, Scorpio, and Virgo colors. I got the Capricorn color before, but here are all three colors. This is Taurus, Scorpio, and Virgo. And I love the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous. So let me just take these out so I can show them to you. And the back of it says, Tranquil Taurus, you're centered in wellness amid fulfilling productivity. This grounded honey wheat metallic is your new color of calm resolve. And they're like, look at the packaging. Even like the back of the box that you don't see has like their Zodiac symbol on it, and then it's got the Zodiac symbol on the top for Taurus. And here's what the back looks like. So yeah. And then here's what it looks like in the bottle. It's got this gorgeous chrome cap. And then you can take the cap off. And it is definitely honey wheat metallic. It's like a gold metallic. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Holy cow, that's pretty. Tons of glitter, and yeah. And it is nearly opaque with one one coat. So, yeah. Taurus. All right. Next up is Scorpio. And it says, Spirited Scorpio, you're burning to take the world by storm and be the force of your own success. This spicy cayenne multidimensional shimmer is your power color of enthusiastic initiative. And again, it's got the Scorpio symbol in the back. And it is like cayenne pepper, but it's got like it says multi-dimensional shimmer. And if I'm holding it up into the light, it's got like gold and red shimmers in it. That's really pretty. So we're going to take the top off. And so gorgeous, gorgeous color. Let's go ahead and swatch it. And it almost looks like it has some orange shimmer in it too, which is super pretty. And I suck at putting on nail polish, obviously. And I know it doesn't come across very well on camera, but like, do you guys see that glitter shift in there? That is super gorgeous. So yeah, it looks like it has gold, orange, and red flecks in it. Scorpio. And last, but certainly not least, is Virgo. And Virgo just happens to be my dad's zodiac sign. I am a Gemini. My husband is a Capricorn. Connor, my son, my 12-year-old, is a Leo. And James is... Oh, James is a Libra. So, cool. I don't have a Libra. So, I'm hoping to get that at some point, though. But yeah, Leo, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn. Gemini is the best, of course. Of course. Gemini is the best sign ever. But it says, Vibrant Virgo, celebrate your diligence and flourishing sense of self-worth with lavish affirmations. Your gilded glamour blossoms with this luxe rose gold multi-dimensional metallic. Okay, so now that I have it out of the package, it is rose gold. And let's go ahead and swatch it. And it is metallic, and I'm digging these glittery metallic colors because I love glitter and I love metallics and I love shimmery things, and it's just so you guys are just gonna have to deal. I'm about to flip off the camera. And when it comes out on your nail, it does look very rose gold. That is unbelievably gorgeous. So here are the three colors. So we have this one is Taurus, which is like what they call a honey wheat metallic. So it's like, it's very gold, like a pale gold. I just knocked over an open bottle of nail polish. Thankfully it didn't spill. And then this is your Scorpio, which is that cayenne pepper with a multi-dimensional shift. And then last but certainly not least is Virgo, which is that rose gold multi-dimensional metallic. So yeah, those are your colors for this month. That's gorgeous. And I cannot wait to get the entire Zodiac collection, because that's just, yeah, that's just the way that I roll. And I love Julep's colors. They put so much thought into their formula, into their colors. They even have like different finishes. Like one of my absolute favorite ones is called Glam Rock. And this has a stardust finish, and it actually has like texture to it. It's really cool. And then I have some that are a satin finish. I don't know if they have any that are matte finish, but they have a lot of really pretty colors. And a lot of their tops, since the tops do come off like that, have a swatch sticker on the end of it so that you can actually swatch the color. But this is what the Glam Rock looks like swatched. It's like this midnight blue purple. It's really dark. Especially the more coats you put on, it's very dark. But it has lots of like blue, purple, silver, pink shimmers in it. It's super pretty. And like I said, the finish is called a Stardust finish. And it actually feels like it's not smooth like a regular nail polish. It's got almost like a slightly gritty texture, which is actually really cool. But yeah, so we have our 3 colors and our Control Z makeup eraser. I'm really happy with this month's box. I'm super sad that they are not going to be doing the subscription anymore because it was a more cost-effective option to get nail polishes from Julep through the subscription box, because you could get up to 3 nail polishes in a month. And yeah, I just felt like it was a really cost-effective option. But they're not going to be doing the subscription anymore, so I'm sorry, guys. But it was fun. It was fun while it lasted. It was a pretty good subscription. I would have recommended it to pretty much anybody. And their formula is awesome. I believe they are 5 free, 4 free. Let me see. I can't remember. I can't remember. Anyway, and I have a coupon on the back of this thing for like $10 or a free polish with any $10 purchase at julep.com. So I could probably combine this coupon code with my discount and get some other polishes from the Zodiac collection. But yeah, they are honoring discount for former Mavens. I can't remember how much the discount is at this particular moment in time. But yeah, so that was the February Julep box. The very last one, unfortunately. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it for you, recording it for you. And I hope you guys have a great night and a great week. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.